Hi everyone! It's been a long time since I've made a blox fruits video. A lot has happened since that. One of these things is an update. The winter update in blox fruits. I also have fully awakened dough. But with the winter update came two new fruits. Portal and Blizzard. Yesterday I bought Perm Blizzard just for the sake of this video. So please sub. I paid 2k robux. Alright guys, we're at Diamond. And I'm going to do the showcase now. Alright, so the first move that we have is called Snowflake Shuriken. You can just click with it, and it'll shoot out two shurikens that do pretty good damage. And then, if you can also hold it down, shoot 5. Next move is Tornado Flight. Basically, you can fly over water with this, by the way, and kind of go up walls. And the best part about it, you can damage enemies. Next move, Whiteout. This kind of reminds me of the spiraling kick move for Leopard. Shoot a tornado and they get caught in it. And yeah. That's really all that does. And then Howling Wind. This move doesn't do a ton of damage, but it is really good for combo starters. So I'll show you that. And then the final move, the amazing Blizzard Domain. Holy cow, that does so much damage. And you can attack them while they're in the domain too. It doesn't stun them, but it's really, really good. Alright, now for combos. Snowflake Shuriken, there's not really good combos for that. But a really, really good combo is if you use Blizzard Domain, Howling Wind, Whiteout, and Tornado Flight. As you can see, that does, holy cow, that does like 26k damage. And Howling Wind stuns, so they can't really do much with that. You can also just use Howling Wind and Tornado Flight. Yeah, that will be it for my short showcase. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe. Again, I paid 2.2k robux. And if you subscribe, it'll help me make better videos. So, see ya!